How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So, how are you doing? Share with me in the comment section below. So, this is 31st week of vlog. Let's go and see what I shared. Before going, I want to share with you something very important, and most of you asked. So, I want to share this important information. So, today I want to talk to you about cooking oils. Very important, as we cook every day Indian cooking. We use various cooking oils. So I want to talk to you about what oils to choose, which oils are healthy and suitable for Indian cooking. So first thing first, there are so many oils that you can use. This is canola oil, as you can see, and this is mustard oil, this is coconut oil, and this is gingerly or sesame seed oil, this is sunflower oil, this is peanut oil, and this one is olive oil. So there are so many options available in the market. I know you must be seeing, when you go to the market, lots of oils that are surfacing on the market, and you must be confused in what to buy, which one is good for your family and your health. So I did a little research. I thought I will share with you guys what I found out. So first thing is, when you deep fry something, that oil should never be used again. Once oil reaches a smoking point and stays there for a few minutes also, it's very unhealthy for us. So discard that oil immediately. You cannot use that oil one more time. Keep that in mind when you are deep frying. Use a smaller kadai or vessel so that you can dispose of less oil and not waste your money. And another thing I want to tell you is, go for always any variety of oil. Go for cold pressed oils. And one more important thing I want to tell you is, canola oil is nothing but genetically modified mustard oil. So it's made in Canada, that's why it's called canola oil. You can do your research, just go on to Google and type it and you will find out more about it. And one more thing is, get your hands on cold pressed oils. Like, I'll show you. It will be clearly written. Let me find out first where it's written. Yeah, as you can see, it's written like cold pressed oil. You can clearly see. Always get your hands on cold pressed oil. Support local businesses so that your product is not coming from somewhere else. You are staying in wherever you are. Support local people so that your food is fresh and traveled less far from you. And one more thing is, we always do your research. Like, if you smell coconut oil or peanut oil, if it's a refined oil, there is no smell to it. If you take unfiltered and cold pressed oil, you will be getting the raw peanut. If suppose take a peanut oil, it has so much of smell. Mustard oil also is very strong. So you need to keep that in mind when you are cooking. And one more thing is, there are so many varieties of oil. So which can you use, which are suitable for Indian cooking and which are not, I want to touch on that too. Coconut oil is the best if you can want it. I don't smell it also. First, when I started using it, it used to smell a bit, but now I don't smell anything. We are perfectly fine eating coconut oil, good food. And coconut oil, you can use sunflower oil, you can use sesame oil. It's also very good oil for oil pulling. Oil pulling means you squish the oil around in your mouth for a few minutes and then spit it out. That's what is oil pulling. it's really good for your teeth, it's good for your internal organs, it's really good. If you want me to make a video on that, leave me a comment, I will definitely do it. And olive oil, they advise that olive oil should not be used for Indian cooking because it has low smoking point and it's not good. It's meant to be added in salads and not in cooking, so keep that in mind when you are using olive oil. And mustard oil is, it's really strong oil, it has really strong smell to it, but it really makes the food taste good too. Canola oil, I generally don't use canola oil in my cooking. I use once in a while for deep frying, but that's it. I don't use canola oil in my daily cooking. And next oil is peanut oil. They say is the best option if you are not into coconut oil. Next oil that is best for you is peanut oil because it has higher smoking point. Do your research and find the best product you can afford with your resources. You don't have to go out of your country or out of your reach to find something. Find local, find simple ingredients to cook your food, and find the best you can afford in your budget and stick with it, and I promise you your health will be good. So this let's go and see what else I shared in this vlog. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope this information will be useful for you, and bye. Hello, how are you and how is your Sunday going? So this is what I made for lunch today. Egg biryani or pulao, you can call it whatever you want. And this one is tandoori chicken fry. This will go on top of the pizza. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, link will be in the description box below. One more thing I want to say is pizza dough recipe is also already in my YouTube channel. How to make the pizza and put the ingredients on it and bake it will be soon up on my YouTube channel. I'm just like too lazy to edit, but I will edit it and post it very soon. And this is onion, chilies and cucumber raita to go with the pulao, and these are the toppings for pizza. Onions, capsicum, serrano chilies, coriander, everything will go on top of our pizza. So this is how my Sunday is going. Very lazy. As you can see, time is 1:20. Pizza dough is rising. It will almost take me 1 more hour to serve lunch. So that's how lazy this Sunday is going. So how are you and how is your Sunday going? Share with me in the comment section below. Hot pizza ready. Is ready for lunch, Sunday's lunch. Let's serve lunch. Time is 10:35. Weekend usually I sleep late and get up late. Everything is clean, nicely washed and clean. And kitchen also I cleaned the countertops with the same towel. And kids are watching the movie. So let's get them, and good night. Yogurt is ready to make. I'll put that in the oven and call the kids up for night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Made black chana sprouts for this week. Let's start our Monday. This will be enough for at least 3 to 4 days. I'll combine this with fresh carrot or cucumber and serve it to my family during lunch and dinner. Look how beautifully it's done. It's a little bit hard to eat like this, as you can see. I'll boil like for just 5 minutes and then serve it. Good morning. I'm making peanut chutney for dosa today. So this recipe is already in my YouTube channel if you want to make it. And instead of green chilies, I'm using red chilies today for just the variety, nothing different. It's just adds different level of spiciness. So let's get this day started. Yummy puffed rice mixture is getting ready for this week's snack. Recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, look how delicious that is. Link will be in the description box below. Good morning. Bottle-guard vada is getting ready for Tuesday's breakfast. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel in Telugu. Did you ever try bottle-guard vada? Share with me in the comment section below. If you want me to make the recipe in English, leave me a comment and I will do it. For Tuesday's lunch, I made rich gourd chana dal fry with simple spices, not too much masala, very simple yet very tasty. Rich gourd is growing very fast. We at least have 3 very rich gourds every week, so rich gourd is frequently appearing in our menu. I also made, let me open it, potato tomato curry. This is one of my favorite curries. Do you like potato? Share with me in the comment section below. Hi, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update. If you are following on social media, I uploaded there, but just in case you are not following, my Aparna's home TV is right now on Amazon. You can go to Amazon app section and search for just Aparna's home TV and you will get my content there. You can watch me on big screen in the comfort of your home, and it's free. To try it and let me know if you liked it or not. Thank you so much. I am feeling super happy about it. Good morning. Carrot onion Uttappam is getting ready for breakfast. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, link will be in the description box below. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. Such a beautiful morning today. It's so breezy and it's going to rain for next 3 days. But right now it's so beautiful. Let me complete my morning work. This is our lunch. Look how delicious that looks. Let us enjoy it and I'll meet you guys back again. Good morning. Yummy instant Rava dosa is getting ready for our breakfast. What are you making today? Share with me in the comment section below. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, link will be in the description box below. My peanut brittle, we call it peanut chicky, is ready for dessert today. Look how perfect it came. Let's break. Yummy. Let's break everything. I cut into pieces, but I'm breaking as it is because it's for my family. Wow. Mutton curry is ready. It's very less. I had one small ziploc of mutton, that's it. And chicken keema is also ready. Look how delicious. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, link will be in the description box below. Hyderabadi veg fried rice is getting ready. You get vegetables in every bite. Did you try this? Link your recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you didn't get a chance to make it, link will be in the description box below. This is it for this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching this, and please do subscribe, like, comment and share if you like my videos. Bye. Good night.